So I've got my portable AC unit here. I just took it out of the box. I want to show you everything that comes with. We're going to go over the features of this, and I'm also going to go ahead and install this into a window. So we do have our vent. This is going to go from our AC unit to the window. We've got two brackets here, one to connect to the AC unit itself, the other the window. This is going to go into the window, so these brackets can go ahead and connect to that. Now this is good for a window anywhere between 17 and 53 inches. We do have a drainage hose here. So on the back side of your AC unit, this is where it's going to be connected. This does have an internal tank, so if you want, you don't have to use the hose. What's going to happen is the internal tank is going to fill up, and then it's going to automatically turn off, and then you'll drain it, or if you want to, you can go ahead and hook up the hose so it's draining continuously. We also have a 6-foot cord, and of course in here are all the controls. So it does come with a remote control, or you can use the buttons that are on the front. We do have some vents right here on the very front also. And then on the side here, this is a little filter, little screen filter. Catches all the dust. You can just pull this out and easily just kind of spray it off with water. Now this AC is 8,000 BTU. It's good for a room that's right around 350 square feet. It does have a SEER rating of 6.2. We've got an on and off button. We can change our fan. We can change the temperature. And we've also got a timer button up to 24 hours and also a sleep button too. I love that it's so portable because it does have a handle right here. So if you need to move it, that's not a problem. And it's got wheels that easily roll around. So I'm going to install my window AC unit in this window. So I'm going to take this bracket and the hose connector. These just actually snap in place. You're just going to load it in there just like that. And then they snap in. And then I've also installed one here. Then we're going to go ahead and just put it in the window. Now that I have this in the window nice and sealed, I've shut the window. Now I'm ready to go ahead and connect the hose. Now that it's all done, which takes right around 5 to 10 minutes, it's ready to go. I just turn it on. I set it to high or low, set the temperature and the timer. And I can feel that cool air coming out right now. It feels really good. Right now I've got it set at 75. Hope you found this review helpful.